Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala chart still consolidating sideways, price just dancing on the 38.2 fib level, or actually around it, basically oscillating around this fib level. Yeah, in our support range. Overall, pretty boring price action since April, middle of April. Nothing happened there really. Even this was more interesting as it went down. This is really just sideways action. And if you look at the chart, probably the longest sideways range in a year, I'd say. Yeah, nearly a year. I guess this was comparable here somehow. But even down here, that consolidation around the bear market low area, even that didn't take that long. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty bad. Now, not necessarily bearish short term, but just sort of boring, and it tests our patience. So what we are looking at here on the Gala chart is from the bear market low, an ABC structure to the upside. Now, with that, it's technically possible that basically the bull market top is in after a 3-wave rally. It's possible that we get continuation to the downside. That's not expected as long as we are in a bullish market and as long as conditions remain favorable, which is sort of more the context. But also looking at the short term, I mean, we are holding currently above this orange support range, and the movements to the downside have been only in 3-wave structures. That keeps the door open generally for higher prices. So I'm looking at a continuation. This initial ABC structure, it's my thesis at least, is turning into a larger ABC structure. A wave up, B wave pullback, C wave up. Next question is, so that, by the way, could take us sort of into the area around 23 cents. And it would be a C wave rally, and the C wave would be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the current idea. Looking at this price action here in the short term, and that's really what's at the moment important, because the main question is, has the B wave pullback already ended here on the 13th of April, or is it unfolding in a larger, you have to go back to the 4-hour chart, in a larger WXYXZ correction. This pattern is basically a unicorn. It really normally doesn't exist, yeah. But still, I think it fits best here. I mean, you can find other wave counts, like just WX and then A, B, C, same thing really. Just that the WXYXZ fits a bit better here because of this sideways action. So an X wave can be a triangle. Okay, a B wave could be as well, but then the Y wave would be very extended. So don't want to go too much into that detail. Bottom line is, I don't have a clear confirmation that the low already, well, the low is in, okay? That it bottomed here on the 13th of April. No clear confirmation for that, even though technically possible. From here then, a C wave rally to the upside could unfold, but this is not bullish, at least not clearly. Of course, it could rally from here, but there is no directly bullish setup that would support that. It's possible, yeah, it's possible that we are dealing with, yes, the white count, which is bullish, but then it would have to be a leading diagonal in wave 1, very speculative count, very long wave 2, you know, the wave 3 hasn't really taken off, so it really takes initially a break above the 5-cent mark to be short-term bullish, and then it should get us to 6.9 cents next, and then the 7.7 cent region in the 5th wave. Conversely, if we see a break down below the red line, we could see the price reach 3.3 cents or 2.6 in that region there. Yeah? And then from there, a recovery could be attempted. And important is just that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below 1.9 cents, because any break below the 1.9 cent level would indicate that a much more substantial top actually has been made. But that's not very clear at this stage because the pullback appears to be corrective and in 3 waves. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.